Oh, it's 5 seconds already? Oh my gosh. Look. Oh wait, I got ads. Feel my stomach, it's really soft. Don't punch the cat. Oh wait, it's don't kick the cat. Or something else.
Well, this video isn't as funny as the one we posted on Facebook. That one was funny.
That was some fun shit. That one. I should probably shut the door. That went down.
The toilet.
Whee! Oh god, no! Wait, look at my eye. Hold on. Wait. Where's it? No, stop!
Meow.
Why are you filming my crotch?
I didn't mean to.
Wait. Oh!
You're in a tunnel, wait.
Woo!
Chat.
You don't want people to see your face. I did it. I probably like screwed the camera up.
Oh, it's perfect.
You don't know. Oh, you know you're beautiful. Who knows? Every time we make a video, it's always like 5 minutes. It's never like 30 seconds or anything.
Hit the cat. Slap the cat. Hmm? No.
What'd that say? Oh. Who sent something? Oh. I don't know why I like playing with my tongue. I should cut my hair. Like
No.
Okay.
Ew. No.
I'm gonna say there's cut. Wait. Okay. Cut away! Oh! We cut off bits of my hair. We're such badasses. I'd love to see you do that.
I would never do that to my hair. Ah! I'm trying to grow it out. Look how short it is.
Look how short mine is.
Mine is short.
Mine is short.
Mine is shorter.
Shorter.
Shorter. Pero.
Mama, may I have cookie?
No, Tayapito. Go back to kitchen. Hoi! I could be your boyfriend. Really? She vlogs that.
Oh damn. Look at that. Wait, no. Stop that! Oh damn. That's some sexy stuff.
What is she wearing? Why am I holding out her hair? I don't look like I'm wearing any makeup, but I am.
Me too!
So tell them
I
what
was just
happened.
Okay. But I'm probably gonna post the video later. But okay. So. You're gonna have to sit down.
No, you're gonna have to stand up for this.
Okay.
Look at my eye.
I am wearing cat ears because I'm a sexy kitty.
Meow.
Do the shirt, do the shirt. Okay, so you all are gonna have to stand up for this because I got a story to tell you. To all of those who are listening and actually watching this bullshit. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was sitting here next to. Guess I'm fat. And I said I hate Mother Nature. And for those who do not know what Mother Nature means, it means you got your monthly gift. And for those who don't know what that means, you're bleeding from your vagina. And I said, I hate Mother Nature. And my stomach growled so loud. Do you see this little thing? It growled like...
Right after you said that.
I was like,
I hate Mother Nature. And then it growls at you.
I was like,
It's like, too bad.
it kind of backfired on me. Oh, my face hurts.
Yeah, you spoke.
I spoke too soon.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for
Snooky
listening to my
poo.
stuff.
Yeah.
I could probably...
Just kidding. So, oh my gosh. How do I look at the drawing? That's more important. Ew.
They make you look weird.
Yeah, my ears.
You don't got enough swaggy to work the...
I just had deja vu.
Oh,
Like, I was like...
Is it because I was wearing cat ears one day when I was here?
I don't know. But ew, like, look, you can, like, see my ear.
I could totally rock this poof. Ah, that's my phone. My phone. I actually like the lighting in this room. It makes me look good. And guess what? You know it.
Shoot.
Okay, so how's y'all doing? Are you guys okay? Okay, just wanted to know. So, wait, we got... Who texted me? But anyways, we gotta do the thing we always do where we take a picture. Okay. You have to be in the picture, you idiot.
I look bad today.
Which hand am I using? I don't like this thing. Hold on.
Strike a pose.
Boom, that is sexy right there.
No, it's not.
Okay, so, why am I talking like this? I don't know, but, girl, I like it. So yeah, we are going to go. Peace!